Welcome to the course on Master of Technical Analysis by Stock Market Files. Today we are going to discuss an interesting and very popular chart pattern called as flags. The flag is a formation on the chart pattern which looks like a real flag, where we have this pole kind of thing, right? Flag pole, and this is a flag type of structure formed within a rectangular body, right? So because of this formation, this is called as flag, which resembles a real life flag. So this is a perfect picture of flag which appears in books. So this flag is formed. There are two kinds of flags, a bullish flag and a bearish flag. So this is a bullish flag. This flag is formed by an impulse up move. There is a sudden impulse up move with increased volume, right? And after that, market goes into consolidation, right? It consolidates for some time and then it breaks out to the upper side, right? So that is how this flag pattern is formed. So we have an impulse up move with increased volume, and then the market consolidates and a breakout happens when the price breaks above this line, right? So this kind of flag pattern is normally a continuation of the previous trend. Here the trend was uptrend. After breakout, the trend is again uptrend. Now we don't have such kind of picture perfect flags on real charts. We may have a flag which is looking like this, So these are the variations of flag. So these three are bullish flags because they form in the uptrend. We have sudden up move, then consolidation, and then the breakout to the upper side, right? So now where can we take entry in this pattern? Now we can take an entry over here. We can take when this line breaks, when price breaks this line, we can enter here. For the target here is the length of this rectangle, this height. Some people set this height as the target on upper side. Some people set this pole length as the target on upside. And the stop loss, if I take entry here on the upside, the stop loss I can place here in the middle of this flag, right? In the middle of this flag I can set my stop loss, right? Now this is a bullish flag. Bullish flag is formed with a impulse up move. This is impulse up move. This is not this pole is not formed by a gradual move. Gradual move means slowly. It's not like that market is moving slowly up and we are having this pole. It's not like that. We have a sudden up move, impulse move, that's called as impulse up move. And after that, this consolidation is there. This consolidation is there because some people book profit, some wait. So because of those reasons, the market goes into consolidation before the breakout to the upside. So this is a very bullish pattern. So these are the variations of flag, bullish flag. Now in bearish flag, we have sudden impulse down move, and then market goes into consolidation, and then we have a breakout here. We enter to the short side. Here after breaking this line. We enter to the short side for the target of this length target on this side, right? Some people set this length as the target, some set this pole height as the target on this side. So this is the bearish flag. Again, it has these variations. On real charts we may not have this picture perfect bearish flag, we may have flag like this or flag like this. So that's a flag pattern. To summarize, flag pattern is formed by a sudden impulse up move. Market goes into consolidation, and that's the formation of flag. And then we have a breakout here, and after this breakout we can go long here for this target or for the target of this pole height with the stop loss placed here in the middle. Okay, so let us take the real examples. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty, daily chart of Bank Nifty. So you can see here we have this sudden impulse up move. You see this candle is very huge. This is impulse up move, right? And then after that the market has gone into consolidation. So this is forming a channel kind of thing, right? So this is a pole of the flag, and when this is broken, you see you have a huge up move. You have a huge up move on this side, right? This is one flag. So this is a second flag. From here you can see we have an impulse up move here, very fast up move. Then the market goes into consolidation, and when this trend line is broken, we have again huge up move, and almost all our targets are achieved on the upper side. So flag pattern is very widely seen. It's very often seen on the charts. So it's very popular pattern, very the pattern which gives very good risk to reward ratio. There is a very limited risk and the reward is very high. So this is a bearish flag. So you see the market, in fact, if you see the flag is formed here itself, but I neglected this because here we just had an impulse down move, right? You see this can be a pole and this is a consolidation. If you plot the two lines here, trend lines, you will see there is a consolidation and there is a breakout and we have a huge down move. But that can be one flag, and immediately again we have second flag here. So this is a impulse down move, right? Then there is a consolidation here, there is a consolidation here, and when this trend line is broken towards downline, we have a huge downfall, right? So this is a bearish flag. Bearish flag is a continuation. This was a downtrend, right? We have impulse down move, market goes into consolidation, and when the breakout happens, we have a huge down move, right? So we have we resume the trend, or we continue the previous trend. Here in the consolidation we are sideways, right? But after breakout we are continuing the previous trend. So flag pattern is a continuation pattern, either to the upside or to the downside. So that's about flag